Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add PayPal payment gateway to WooCommerce. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to actually head over to the plugin marketplace of WooCommerce itself. Now, click on this right here and search in here for PayPal. So in here, let's try to search, and you should be able to see in here this WooCommerce PayPal payment. So just make sure to activate and install this. Once you have installed this, just scroll down right here on your left sidebar until you can see this option for settings. Now, under settings, you can see this menu in here. So just look for the WooCommerce option. Now, once you have clicked on your WooCommerce option, you should be able to see your WooCommerce settings just like this one. So click on this payments option or payment tab, and from in there, you should be able to see it. So let's try to scroll down, and from in here, you can see this WPS payment PayPal. You can also see in here this PayPal right here. So make sure to enable it. And then once you have enabled this, you just need to click on this finish setup. So let's try to open this right here. You can see this right here. So make sure to activate your PayPal. Your PayPal account needs to be a business account and not a personal account in order to make this possible. So click on this activate PayPal, and then you will be redirected to this PayPal tab that will open. So make sure to log in your business account on PayPal from in here. And then after that, you should be able to bind your PayPal to your WooCommerce. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.